Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download Progressive Insurance on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. And with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead and download Progressive Insurance on your mobile device by simply opening your App Store. Search for Progressive right over here, just like that. And once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to be the first application to pop up right over here. Now, all you need to do is just tap on this download button right over here. And once you've done that, it's going to take a little while. It depends on your internet, and simply go ahead and tap on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you can simply go ahead and enter your user ID and password to log in. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next